Does offering a tip in your prompt change the quality of the output? It's been going around Reddit and a few other threads on including a monetary tip in your prompt to change the output. So I put it in Copilot, 2 different environments, same prompt, creating an agenda, one with a tip, one where I offered a tip, and one where I did not. I then took it to a 3rd environment to then grade the quality of the output, both from a communications point of view, as well as from an English professor's point of view, giving each option a grade. I didn't tell it what the previous prompts were. And it turns out that where I did not include the tip, the only difference in the second one was that I did not offer a tip. It actually scored, it was graded 10 points higher. It included aspects of the agenda for security and other areas that the first prompt with the tip did not. The first prompt did respond to it and say, I'm an AI, I don't accept tips. It was a little bit more conversational, but the quality of the output was actually not as good. So you don't need to offer a tip in Copilot.